All right, so today we're going to be taking a look at the EarForce Stealth Pro by Turtle Beach. Not only are we going to be doing an unboxing, we're also going to be doing a live microphone test, so that way you can check out the quality of this headset's microphone. So this headset features memory foam ear cushions, a metal reinforced headband, 2 swappable batteries, and dual microphones. This also comes with a Audio Hub app, which is compatible for Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android devices. With this headset, you can also take calls and listen to music while you're gaming at the same time. So let's go ahead and open up the box so that way we can get our eyes on this headset. All right, so we have the omnidirectional microphone, and then we have the headset. As soon as you pick this headset up, you can tell the quality of the design. The reinforced metal headband gives it a really good weight on the headset. It has the Turtle Beach branding right here across the top and also on each earpiece. Then you also have a microphone button located right on the earpiece. On the other side, you have your Bluetooth Connect, your power button, and also a LED indicator, and also your charging port. Earpieces look super comfortable. They're nice and thick, and this is a over-the-ear headset. The colors is matte black, gray, and a silver. And in order to stretch the headband out, you'll simply pull on each side. And each ear cup does swivel, so that way it makes it a lot easier for you to store these, and also gives you better comfort when you're wearing them. It also has a good amount of cushion over top of the headband, so that way it doesn't put too much tension on your head when you're wearing them. On the right ear, you have the volume control, and on the inside of the box, we have the wireless transmitter and charger, and then we have your charging cables, and this also comes with your instruction manual, and they put in a nice carrying pouch as well. On the wireless transmitter, you have a button here to switch between Xbox and PC. You have your charging port, and then you also have a USB Type-C for your console/PC. In order to plug your microphone up, you're simply going to pull off the little audio mic tab right here. Then you'll plug your microphone directly in here. Now this does come with a dual microphone. So you have a microphone inside the headset, whether you plug up the omnidirectional microphone or you just use the one that is built in inside of the headset. Here it goes with the microphone plugged in, and you can move the microphone any way that you like. That way you can make sure you're getting the very best audio as possible. So next we're gonna go ahead and plug this up so we can do a live audio test, so that way you can get a good feel for what the microphone sounds like this. I'm not gonna do any editing to it, so that way you can hear it with raw sound. All right, this is a microphone test for the Turtle Beach Stealth 700 headset, testing out the microphone so that way you can get a good idea of the quality of this microphone. Once again, this is a microphone test for the Turtle Beach Stealth 700 wireless headset, testing out the microphone so that way you can get a good idea of the quality of this microphone. Testing audio 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, so there you go, the Turtle Beach EarForce Stealth Pro gaming headset. Hopefully this video helped you out, and I will see you on the next one.